Oh my God. Whoa! Hey. Can I give you a boop? Boop. Good boy. Aww.
I love you guys so.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello.
That doesn't mean run around at Mach 5 either. Dead end.